Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to verify your account in DigiFinex Exchange. When you enter your account, for verification, click on Verify. Then we enter the verification section, which the first level is ID document. Click on Verify. And we enter the sub verification section. For verification, click on Continue. If you wanted to continue the verification on your phone, you can click here, or with the device, you can click here. Select the country of residence, then click on Continue. Choose the issuing country and the document that you want to upload, which you can choose between passport and ID card. We choose ID card, then click on Continue. Then our ID card will go under review. For the enterprise authentication, which is the second verification, click here, then enter your nationality, corporate name, corporate registration number, registered office address, and business phone number. Scroll down, enter business address and estimated average monthly trading volume in USD and source of assets. Finally, after entering the informations, click on Next. In the second part, we have to add the legal representative documents. Click on Add, enter first name, last name, ID number, and front side of the ID card and back side of the ID card. Then click on Confirm. Second part is actual controller. Click on Add, then enter the informations like last name, first name, ID number, also front side of the ID card, then back side of the ID card. After uploading the informations, click on Confirm. Third step is account user. Click on Add. Enter informations like last name, first name, ID number, front side of the ID card, and back side of the ID card. Pay attention that the documents must be maximum 5 MB. After uploading the informations, click on Confirm. If you wanted to add additional informations, you can click here. Then after entering all the informations, click on Next. For the third part, we have to add UBO document authentication informations like ultimate beneficiary. Click on Add. Then we enter the sub verification. Click on Continue. We have to upload our ID card again. Click on Continue again. Confirm the country of residence. Then click on Continue. Enter issuing country and the document type that you want to upload, which you can choose between passport and ID card. We choose passport. And for uploading the document, click here. Pay attention that all the informations must be completely visible and the maximum storage is 50 MB. After uploading the document, click on Continue. Our documents will go under review. Then after the verification completed, we will receive the results in our email. Good luck.